Hi guys, we start out our lesson today with a quick review, a really quick review from what we did yesterday. In section 3.3, the package that you have, we came up with equations for this page yesterday. For example, there are 4 money bags, so this was going to be 4 bags, but we didn't know the number of coins in there, so we introduced the variable x. Remember, variable is a letter that you use in place of numbers, which we do not know yet. And then we have an additional 2 coins, so we said it's going to be plus 2, and that is going to be equal to, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 3 rows, a total of 18 coins. So this is what we came up with, the equation for this situation. And recall how we solved this equation. Because there is a plus 2, remember there is a balance. This is like a balance, and whatever we do on one side, we do the exact same thing on the other side. So we first get rid of the 2, so we do the inverse operation or the opposite operation, which is subtracting. Because it's adding 2, we have to subtract 2 to make it a 0 pair. And we end up with, I'm going to write the answer over here. The 4x, nothing happened to that, so I'm going to still write 4x. And the 2 goes away because it's a 0 pair, and 18 minus 2 is 16. And remember, once again, we do the opposite operation, which means 4 times x, so the inverse operation of multiplication is division, and I'm trying to make x on its own, so I want 4 to go away. So I'm dividing by 4, and hence we end up with x equals 4, and that would be our answer. This is how we solved our equations yesterday, if you recall. And then one more problem that I want to do is with variables on both sides. So because there's a lot of room here, I think I'm going to use this problem. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pouches. But again, we don't know how many coins are there in each pouch. So I'm going to put the variable x again. Plus, we have so many coins. We have 1, 2, 3 columns of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 3 is 15 coins, which is equal to, on this side, we have 15 plus 4, 19 coins, plus 4 pouches of unknown coins. So now, if you look at it, again, this is a problem from yesterday, but again, it's a quick recall. So we have variables on both sides. We want all variables on one side and numbers on the other side. Because this is a 4x and it's smaller than 6x, I'm going to move this over. So I'm going to do the inverse operation, meaning the opposite operation. Because this is plus 4x, I'm going to subtract 4x. 6x minus 4x is 2x. And then you keep the rest of the equation the way it is, and 4x minus 4x is 0. And now we do the inverse operation for our constant, which means it doesn't have any variables in it. So we get 2x equal to 4. And I don't think you can see it yet. So let me move it up a little bit. There you go, 2x equal to 4. And I'm going to write that one more time over here so you can see it. And I'm going to do the inverse operation of dividing by 2, and I get x equals 2. Right? I hope you remember that, because using this skill, we are going to take more equations and see what will happen when we have fractions or integers in it, negative numbers specifically in it. Alright, see you in a bit.